Hey everybody. Today we're going to be forging this trowel from this piece of sheet steel and railroad spike. We're going to first start by taking this piece of sheet steel and then drawing out a pattern of the shovel blade itself, and then we're going to cut it out and then forge it. We're also going to take this railroad spike and we're going to draw it out just a little bit to kind of square it up and make it even, and then put a nice twist in it for looks. We're just going to take this Sharpie and draw out the general look, and then we'll grind it to shape and cut it out. We'll go ahead and cut this out with the angle grinder. Now this piece of steel I found out in the woods, I think it was part of like a telephone pole or something. That's why I found it next. It was old and rotten, and I found this, so I picked it up. I'm going to use it. It's coated in some kind of galvanized stuff. I'm going to try my best to scrape it off, but it's pretty much on there. So we're going to kind of heat it up and then get it off later on. I highly recommend using the respirator whenever you're dealing with galvanized stuff, because it's really poisonous. Then we're going to flip it around and cut out the rest of the way, and then we'll take it to the 2x72 grinder and clean it up. I'm hoping to be more consistent with my videos here in the near future. Hopefully dropping a video, one or two every month or so. I want to get more consistent with it. I really do enjoy making it. It's just getting back started again after moving. We're going to finish cleaning this up, and then we'll take it over and do some forging. So now we got it all roughed out. We're going to take it over, we're going to flatten it out first, and then we'll curve it into the shovel shape.
Next up, we're going to flatten this out, make it nice and smooth, and then we're going to take it and curve it up and make that shovel.
Fire up the forge and we'll get started on it. These little projects are really fun because you can get them done in just a couple of hours or even just an hour. And they're not that hard. We're going to heat it up to about 1500 degrees and then flatten it out. This is like the general idea I was thinking of. So with a railroad spike handle with a twist in it, but we're going to do more twists on it, and then our head is not going to be integral with the spike, but we'll attach it with a pin, and it'll be a little bit bigger. Now we'll flatten out, and you can just see that stuff that's just flying off and chipping off. That's that galvanized stuff. It's really not good for you. If you guys remember watching my Gladius video that I made a long time ago, it had the same stuff on it.
Respirator.
You'll recognize it by this green flashes, the green fire, and all the nasty smoke.
I don't know what that is, but it can't be healthy for you.
I don't have a wire wheel right now, so I have to do everything by hand as far as cleaning it up goes. Now we're going to make that round shape on the horn of the anvil. And this worked really well. And we'll finish making the actual round shape by just tapping it on the face of the anvil. Next up is the railroad spike. So we're going to start first by drawing it out and cleaning it up. It does have some pits in it and stuff, so we're just going to hammer those out and get all the scale off. cut off the end of the railroad spike. We'll make sure it's nice and flat for the shovel head to attach. Once our surfaces are nice and square, we'll put in the vise and we'll twist it a few times. It's been a while since I did any twisting. This was kind of difficult. And I bent it really badly. So now we'll straighten it out and we'll start attaching it. We're just going to try our best to preserve those twists and not put any hammer marks on them. Then we're going to take our angle grinder. I put a little mark on the top of this railroad spike and we'll just cut it out from there. We're going to go down about 3/4 of an inch to an inch. Here it is, I just slipped it in there. Now we're going to heat it up and we're going to tap it in place and then we'll drill it out and pin it. I don't have a drill press either at the moment, so I'm just going to use this DeWalt power drill. It's definitely not quite as accurate, but it still gets the job done. Here it is, we got it attached and our pin slipped through it. Now we're going to peen it over and then clean it up some more and oil it. I'm going to use my little 2-pound ball peen hammer and just gently peen it over so it doesn't bend. Usually you want a smaller hammer for this because heavier hammers will bend the pin easier. Just gentle taps. And then we'll add some WD-40 on it and then we're done. I think this turned out very nice. I used it a little bit digging in the dirt and it feels good. It's not as clanky and janky as my first one that I made. So I'm pretty proud of this one. If anyone's interested in it, I'll leave a link down below to eBay or Etsy where you can make the purchase. Also, if you want me to do a specific video, if it's blacksmith or bladesmith related, leave a comment in the comment section below and I can get started on that. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope you all have a great one.